Tired of losing your keys, wallet, or backpack? Say goodbye to frantic searches with the Apple AirTag 4-pack. This tiny tracker is a game changer for anyone wanting to keep tabs on their valuables, making it one of the best electronics you can buy in 2025. What truly sets AirTag apart is Apple's precision finding, leveraging Ultra Wideband technology to guide you directly to your lost item with incredible accuracy. Imagine seeing the exact distance and direction on your iPhone screen. No more guessing games. Getting started is unbelievably simple. Just one tap on your iPhone instantly pairs the AirTag, ready to track within seconds. And don't worry about splashes or dust. Its IP67 water and dust resistance means your AirTag can handle everyday adventures without a hitch. This seamless integration with the Apple ecosystem, combined with millions of anonymous Apple devices forming a global Find My network, truly makes the AirTag an unparalleled tracking device. If you're looking for the ultimate solution to item tracking, this Apple AirTag 4-pack is an absolute must-have. Check out the link in the description below to grab your own AirTags on Amazon and secure your peace of mind today. Seriously, for anyone with an iPhone, investing in these is one of the smartest purchases you'll make this year. Highly recommended.